Hey everyone, it's another episode of Monday Mortgage Mythbusters. I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans, and right now interest rates are at all-time lows. So you can imagine most people can benefit from a refinance of their current loan. One of the big myths that I hear quite frequently is refinancing is too expensive. While that could be true, it's very important that you do your homework and you understand the costs that are associated with a refinance. So what a lot of times when I'm talking to clients, what they find out is really when you take into consideration the fact that you are skipping a payment, meaning that if you close in July, your first payment won't be until September. And then also, if you have tax and insurance reserves included in your mortgage, you will get a refund of those reserves from your previous lender after that loan is closed out. For a lot of our clients, when they look at those numbers, they think, okay, gosh, I could take that $4,000 or $5,000 that I'm going to end up not spending and put that towards the mortgage to pay down some of the closing costs. It makes a lot more sense. So what I would say is everybody's situation is different. So just because your friend or your coworker is refinancing and it makes sense for them, it doesn't mean it makes sense for you, but you owe it to yourself to do the homework. You could be talking about saving hundreds of dollars per month, and in some cases even $1,000 a month. We've helped some clients save some big numbers over the life of their loan. I just talked to a client this morning. For the next 15 years, they are going to save over $71,000 in that 15-year period. So if you could stand to save some money in your monthly budget, or have some extra money to travel, or put into your 401k, or put in the stock market, or make some improvements to your home, please reach out to us. Team Anderson can be reached at team.anderson@caliberhomeloans.com, or you can always call us at 425-765-3115. We look forward to talking to you.